Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Mailchimp to Elementor. First, you'll need your Mailchimp API key. Log into your Mailchimp account and find your profile icon in the bottom left. Click on it, then select Account Settings. From there, go to the Extras menu and choose API keys. If you don't have one, simply create a new key and copy it. This key acts as a secure bridge between Mailchimp and Elementor. Next, let's integrate this key into Elementor. Head over to your WordPress dashboard, then navigate to Elementor and click on Settings. Inside the settings, you'll find an Integrations tab. Scroll down until you see the Mailchimp section. Paste the API key you just copied into the designated field. Remember to click Validate API key to ensure a successful connection, then save for individuals and businesses in Russia. The suspension has a significant impact. Existing PayPal account holders are unable to send or receive any payments. While there was a temporary period allowing users to withdraw existing account balances, this functionality is no longer available. Essentially, all forms of transactions, including cross-border payments, have been halted, making PayPal completely unusable within the country for any financial transfers. Finally, it's time for field mapping. In the Mailchimp section, you'll see options to map your Elementor form fields like email and name to their respective Mailchimp fields. This ensures data transfers correctly. You can also enable double opt-in for subscriber confirmation, which is a great practice. Once everything looks perfect, save your form and update or publish your Elementor page. Your Mailchimp integration is now complete.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.